one eye is naturally smaller than the other. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Phoebe and I upload videos every Monday. My videos are mostly related to beauty, fashion, art, and crafts and DIYs. So if you enjoy that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do like this video, don't forget to like and share and comment down in the section below. And for today's video, we are going to be creating this brown cat eye look. I feel like this eye look really flatters my face, and I feel it's very flattering to every face shape. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows with some spoolie and filling them in with a powder. Now I'm taking this concealer and applying all over my eyelids for a nice base. I'm just applying a very thin base. Now taking the sponge, I am very gently blending all of that in. Just put a very light pressure because you don't want to take out the product, you just want it to blend in. Here I'm just setting that concealer in with a fluffy brush, and now I'm taking a washi tape to tape off the sides of my eyes to get that really nice sharp line. Here I'm taking the shade Sweet Mango and blending that in the outer corners. Now I'm taking the shade Radar and just going in the outer corner. Now I'm taking the shade Destination and will be again blending it from the outer corner to the inner corner. With the same shade, I'm just aligning my eyes. Here I'm taking this metallic shimmery shade called Polished and applying in the center and inner corners of my eyes. So this is just my basic foundation routine, and I use Maybelline Fit Me because it's light and it doesn't break my skin out, so I just like to apply this foundation in a very thin layer. Now taking this Master concealer, I'm just using my art brush to sharpen all the lines of my eyeshadows and contour my nose. So the sponge that I'm using is not wet or damp, it's just a dry sponge, and it will just help put that coverage even more. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just baking the under eyes just to set all that concealer in. And now I'm taking my LA Girl blush palette and using that shade to contour my nose. Taking the same blush palette, I'm just contouring. I'm just highlighting the high points of my cheeks and my nose because I really like the tip of the nose to be highlighted for some reason. And for my lips, I'm first using this lip balm from Organic Originals, which is my own brand. I will link its page down in the description below. Now just apply your favorite lip color and you are done for this look. If you want to see how I created that hairstyle, I do have a separate video on it, and I will also leave the video down in the description box below for you guys to check it out. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this super simple glam, the hairstyle. I love this hairstyle, and if you do try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and do comment down what else would you like to see from me more in my future videos. And if you want to see what I do every single day, I do post it on my Instagram, so do check out my Instagram account at Phoebe Bhattarai, and I guess I will see you on my next video.